Today, we're exploring the futuristic 2027 Kia PV5 electric camper van, finished in vibrant white with a rugged long-body design and adventure-ready wheels. Let's take a detailed tour. Exterior. Front view. From the front, the PV5 presents a bold, modern face with its distinctive Kia logo, sleek LED lighting, and aerodynamic bodywork. Displayed inside a premium company showroom, its vibrant white finish gives this electric camper a clean, futuristic presence. Topside view. Moving above, we get a clear look at the camper roof, featuring solar panels, a compact antenna, and an exterior air conditioning unit. The roof layout is designed to maximize useful equipment while keeping the van practical for extended adventures. Backside view. At the rear, the adventure-focused setup becomes even more impressive. A spare tire is securely mounted alongside a carefully positioned cycle carrier, providing extra practicality for travelers who want to explore beyond the campsite. Side view. The side profile reveals the PV5's long, spacious body and rugged adventure stance. A side-mounted camping tent extends outward to create a comfortable outdoor sitting area, giving travelers extra living space when relaxing at a campsite. Driving compartment. Behind the driving compartment, a compact sofa-cum-bed creates a flexible living space. During the day, it works as comfortable seating, while at night, it transforms into a sleeping area, making excellent use of the camper's interior space. Sitting and sleeping area. Behind the driving compartment, a compact sofa-cum-bed creates a flexible living space. During the day, it works as comfortable seating, while at night it transforms into a sleeping area, making excellent use of the camper's interior space. Kitchen. Next to the living area is a compact camper kitchen, carefully arranged for everyday travel. It provides practical preparation space and storage while remaining integrated with the sitting and sleeping zone, keeping everything convenient inside this compact electric camper. Washroom. Even with its compact dimensions, the camper includes a small, dedicated washroom cleverly fitted into the available space. The layout focuses on practicality, giving travelers essential facilities without sacrificing too much valuable living area. The 2027 Kia PV5 electric camper van brings together electric mobility, flexible camper living, and adventure-focused practicality. Pricing can vary by market and final configuration. So what do you think? Would you choose this camper for your next road trip? Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.